Prayer to the Lion's Gate Portal. Infinite blessings to you. Today, Tuesday, there's a deep and sacred opening with the Star Portal 88. This spiritual door opened on July 25th, reaching its peak today. The Lion's Gate is a harmonious alignment, significant, which activates light codes to stimulate the spiritual energy within you. Today, on 8/8, a new planetary beginning will occur, bringing a period of enlightenment for all of humanity. It's a very special day to expand ourselves spiritually. Write 8/8 to manifest it. Prayer. You can express this prayer 3 times a day until the energy of this powerful portal closes, which is this Saturday, August 12th. This prayer connects you with infinite abundance, with the entire flow of creation, connecting with all this divine magic. You can light a red candle, visualize the flame of the candle, and let the candle burn completely. Now, express from the heart. In this sacred portal of the Lion's Gate 88, I say your full name. Open my heart connected to infinite abundance. Here and now, my paths open, connecting with my prosperity, with the goals I am creating, allowing me to connect with my higher intelligence and activate all my divine creation potential, materializing all my desires. Now I connect with the infinite possibilities that allow me to change my life and guide me towards success. Blessing my life, blessing my heart. I am grateful for the abundance that comes to me, that expands and grows more and more every day. Thank you for all the love that comes into my life, because I am evolving and trusting in myself. And this allows me to connect with abundance and prosperity in all areas of my life. Today, on 8/8, I open myself to receive all the cosmic energy of creation and renewal. I deserve to receive all the blessings from the universe, manifesting a new life. I am grateful for all the abundance coming to me because I am the source of infinite abundance. I am the creator of my new reality. I open and expand my heart, always connecting with all those possibilities that come to me, manifesting all the wealth, all the power. Now I flow through love, receiving everything that is mine and belongs to me by divine right. So it is, and so it is, 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 so it is, and so it is. Thank you, thank you, thank you for everything that comes into my life. I receive it with love. Amen. A very powerful prayer with light frequencies so that it reaches every one of your cells and strengthens you every day. Always open yourself to receive the best, and better things will come into your life. A fraternal cosmic embrace of abundant light and love, received from the heart on this day. I am Maria Lustig, voice for We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. If this content resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, leave your comments and share. Together we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to achieve the life we truly deserve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.